Hi there, it's Grant here. Just got a short sort of crypto news update for you. So basically, Bitcoin and Ethereum have surged over 20% in the past 7 days. The question is, what's caused this? Will this continue? And is this the first sign we're seeing of the return of a crypto bull run where the crypto market goes on a massive price surge? Over the past 12 months, pretty much since the war in Ukraine started, crypto has dropped, lost a lot of its value. A lot of the cryptos are trading at their lowest values in a long time. But over the past month, we've been seeing a bit of a rally from Bitcoin. And in the past 7 days, Bitcoin and Ethereum and many of the other coins have surged. Now, what has basically caused this? So basically, there's been some pretty high banking collapses this month, and obviously the Swiss bank, Credit Suisse, that has been in trouble, but I do believe there's a rescue package for that. But basically, this has caused massive panic amongst investors, because if a bank goes bust, they lose all of their money. So a lot of the investors have been plowing their money into Bitcoin and Ethereum and the other tokens because they're seen as a safer store of their money and value over time. So this is why we're seeing the surge. Money is moving from the banks into crypto, more specifically Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they're considered safe projects. They're not going anywhere. They're not going to crash. So investors have been playing their money into that. Also, the Fed are going to, they're going to be less aggressive on raising inflation. So I don't think there's going to be any more interest rate rises recently, which is seen as a positive sign from the investment in crypto industry, because raising interest rates and inflation have really harmed the markets and the crypto market. But for now, interest rates aren't rising, and it's the signs that inflation is starting to fall. So that's bringing positivity back to the crypto market. So before I go on with my video, if you're liking it, please like the video. Why not subscribe to the channel to get more of this? But also, if you want to prepare for the next crypto bull run, and you want to invest in some of the top coins that are going to potentially explode in the next crypto bull run, I can highly recommend watching Big T's Final Call. Tika Tiwari, who's one of the top crypto experts in the world, is revealing why right now is the last best crypto buying opportunity we'll see in our lifetime. And in this interview, he's going to reveal his top crypto picks for 2023 that could potentially 10x your money when the next crypto bull run returns. And maybe we're seeing signs of that. So if you want to register for this Tika's interview so you can figure out why is now the right time is to buy crypto, and to get some crypto picks for 2023, just come to this page, click the button, register, enter your email, and you can register completely free, and you're going to be taken straight to the interview. So why not watch that if you're interested in crypto? Anyway, back with the video. So, Bitcoin and Ethereum have surged in the past 7 days, basically on the back of the global banking crisis, and obviously, the inflation may be coming down and interest rates not looking to rise again in the short term. So that's the next question is, where do we go from here? In my own personal opinion, and listening to a lot of crypto experts, I don't think we're going to not out of a volatility yet. In fact, Tika Tiwari is saying that a new crypto crisis is around the corner. I don't know what that is. I think he's doing some kind of interview. Unfortunately, I don't have a link. But he's saying there's a new crisis that could rock crypto. But I do think that a lot of, with the banking crisis, and if there's going to be more banks collapsing, like if Credit Suisse goes under, there's going to be a whole ton of money moving to crypto. Trust me, Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is going to pump the market, that could give a major surge to crypto. Now, I'm not saying Credit Suisse is going to go bust, but it's teetering. And there could be other collapses as well. So I'm going to say this off, as a bit of a hunch. I think we might have seen the bottom in crypto now. So I think we might be out of the woods, but it doesn't mean we're not going to see further volatility. If any more crypto companies goes bust, so say one of the big exchanges that had exposure to SVB and Silvergate, if one of those goes bust, that could really crash the crypto market. Obviously, if there's other crypto companies go bust, obviously there's a bit of shenanigans going on about Shiba, being a scam. If anything negative news comes back to crypto, that could affect crypto prices for sure. But I think as long as this banking crisis continues, if we see more bankruptcies, then I think the investors' money is going to be pouring into crypto because they want safe places to store their money. And the safest places to store money in crypto are Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're the biggest projects. They're 100% not going anywhere. In fact, their value is going to surge over the next 5 to 10 years as crypto faces mass adoption. At the end of the day, crypto is here to stay. It is going to be one of the future technologies that's going to change how we, do finance and how we transact things and store things. So crypto is here to stay. And like I said, as long as this banking crisis continues, money is going to be pouring into crypto. So whilst we're not out of a volatility, I think it's going to be an interesting couple of months of crypto, because are we seeing the first signs of a crypto bull run? Things to look out for next year. I think in May, Bitcoin's got its halving. So it's not out of the realms of possibility if interest rates start falling, and hopefully if a war in Ukraine ends this year at some point, I think that's really going to help the financial markets and the crypto market, and that could be the signal for the bull run. So if you're looking to get into crypto, now is the time. I think the smart money, you put money in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Obviously, you're not going to make huge gains there unless you've got a truckload of money and you can take advantage of, the gains. But I think, now's the time to store up in crypto. The smaller projects, look at Crypto AI, Fetch AI, Singularity Net, all of these AI cryptos. Look at Web 3.0, which is the new iteration of the internet. All of the crypto projects that are going to drive Web 3.0. Video gaming is going to be huge at DeFi. I think these are 4 areas that are going to explode, and these areas are going to hold the Googles and Amazons of the future. And if you can pick one of those coins and hold it until the bull run, you're going to come out with a big smile on your face. So I think next couple of months are going to be very exciting for crypto. I just got a really good feeling about it. I just think, with all of the banking crisis, I mean, a lot of money is going to be pouring into crypto over the next couple of weeks and months, but we're not out of the woods with crypto yet. I think we want to see, we don't really want to see any more big company collapses or anything like that, but watch this space, because I think, there's some exciting things coming. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, why not like it, why not subscribe? Also, if you want to learn from Tika Tuori why right now is the best last time to buy crypto, why not register for his interview where he's going to give his picks for the next bull run. Just come to this page, which I'll link in the description. Come to the bottom of the page, click the button, enter your email, and you'll be registered straight for free, and you'll be taken straight to his interview. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. I hope you found the video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.